Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out the laptop that claims to bring AI power to the masses. This is the Asus Vivobook S14 OLED model M3407. It's got the new AMD Ryzen AI-7 chip and a stunning OLED panel, a battery that just won't quit, and it is actually faster than the old models. For all the doubts, you can ask me questions in the comment section, and if you want to buy, I have tagged the links in the video and also in the description. Let us start with the design and build quality. First, let's talk about the build. We have a metal lid that feels cold to touch and very premium. It weighs just 1.4 kg, so throwing this in your college bag is easy. The hinge goes back 180 degrees, which is great, and if you want to show your screen to someone across the table. The keyboard is a classic Asus ErgoSense. It's backlit, clicky, and yes, we have the dedicated Copilot key right here because this is an AI PC. The display. Asus dominates the OLED game, and this is why. It's a 14-inch WUXGA OLED panel. The aspect ratio is 16:10, which gives you more vertical space for scrolling through documents. Colors are 100% DCI-P3. If you edit photos or watch Netflix, this screen blows any IPS panel out of the water. Coming to the performance, we have the AMD Ryzen AI-7 350 processor. This is the new Kraken Point architecture. It has 8 cores and a dedicated NPU capable of 50 TOPS. In plain English, it flies through office work, web browsing, and heavy multitasking. The NPU helps with the AI features like background blur in calls without slowing down your game or work. Coming to the audio, it has the Radeon 860M graphics. Graphics are amazing. It's not a gaming laptop, but you can definitely play casual titles like Valorant or League of Legends smoothly. Coming to the battery and connectivity. Connectivity is solid here. You get a USB-C with a power delivery, full-size USB-A ports, a HDMI 2.1 port, and a headphone jack, and no dongles needed here. The battery life is the highlight. It packs a 70 Wh battery, and for a 14-inch laptop, that is massive. You will easily get 9 hours of battery life on a single charge. So overall, Vivo S14 is an amazing laptop. If you are a student, a coder, or a writer who wants beautiful screen and all-day battery life, then this is a fantastic deal. It's modern, it's fast, and that OLED screen is addictive. I will leave the best buy links in the description and also tagged in this video, and if you want to really buy this, you can buy it from there. And if you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.